Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Betty Boop and dress to impress. Super simple. You're just going to find this hair. I think it's an updo. I think it's this one. No. It's this one. And only bangs and just color that black. And then we're going to get this hairstyle. If I can just find it. Oh, it's this one. What just happened? Color that black. I've never seen that in my life on Dress to Impress. And if you want to fill in more of the area, you can maybe go to masculine and add this to it and color it black. Maybe, but you do have to cover that a little bit. Let me see if I can find something else about this one that also doesn't cover everything. Let me try this. But no bangs, and I'm gonna position it upwards a little bit like that. Maybe, yeah, that works. Okay, just ignore the back, please. Let me just color the nails red, and then I am going to get hoop earrings, this one. And then I'm going to get the dress. It's a very simple dress, so you can like kind of customize it a little bit more to your liking, I guess. Wait, where is that dress? The one that oh, it's right here, like in front of me. Like maybe you can add this to it to make it like less simple. And then I'm going to get this Valentine's Day like shoes here. And I'm just going to only add this on in like a gold color, I think. Or is that white? I'm not sure. Let me just use white. And then I'm going to just color that red and then the heart red as well. For the shoes, I am going to just use these classic shoes in red. And then she does wear like a bracelet. I don't know if I should use this one or I should use this one, but this is just like a lot, you know. Maybe color the first one the color of her skin tone. I didn't even say the color of her skin tone. Okay. Maybe color that the color of the skin tone first in like matte. And then the second one should be like that goldish color. And that is it. That is how you can create Betty Boop on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and oh, that's too long. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!